This is how bottled water is produced in modern factories step by step. The process begins far away from the factory floor. Water is collected from natural sources such as underground wells, springs, or municipal supplies. Before it can be used, the water must meet strict safety standards. Raw water often contains minerals, particles, and microorganisms that must be removed. Once the water arrives at the factory, it goes through multiple filtration stages. Large filters remove sand, dirt, and visible particles. After that, finer filters remove smaller impurities that cannot be seen with the naked eye. This ensures the water is clean and clear before further treatment. Next comes purification. The water passes through advanced purification systems such as reverse osmosis or ultraviolet treatment. These systems remove bacteria, viruses, and harmful chemicals. At this stage, the water becomes safe for human consumption according to international standards. After purification, minerals may be added back to improve taste. Different brands use different mineral formulas. This is why bottled water from different companies can taste slightly different even though they all look the same. While the water is being prepared, the factory also prepares the bottles. Plastic preforms are delivered to the factory in large quantities. These small plastic pieces are heated and blown into full-sized bottles using high-pressure air. This process happens very quickly and produces thousands of bottles every hour. Once the bottles are formed, they move along conveyor belts to the filling area. Before filling, the bottles are cleaned using filtered air or sterile water to remove any dust. This step is important to maintain hygiene. The bottles are then filled with purified water using automated filling machines. These machines work at high speed and fill each bottle with an exact amount of water. The process is carefully controlled to prevent contamination. After filling, caps are placed on the bottles and sealed tightly. The sealing process ensures that the water remains fresh and untouched until it reaches the customer. Next, the bottles pass through quality control. Cameras and sensors inspect each bottle for defects such as incorrect fill levels, damaged caps, or leaks. Any bottle that does not meet standards is removed automatically. Once approved, labels are applied to the bottles. Labels include brand information, expiry dates, and safety details. The labeled bottles are then grouped and packed into cartons or shrink-wrapped bundles. Finally, the packed bottles are stored in warehouses and prepared for distribution. Trucks transport the bottled water to stores, supermarkets, and vending machines around the world. This entire process is designed to ensure safety, consistency, and efficiency. Modern factories use automation and strict quality control to produce millions of bottles every day. That is how bottled water is made in modern factories.